Hey guys, today we're reviewing the OXO Good Grips cold brew coffee maker. It says you could choose your favorite coffee, just add cold water, all right? By cold brewing your coffee has less acid. So if you get heartburn after a cup of coffee, you want to do cold brew. That seems to be the hottest way of making coffee. So let's get started. All right, first thing you want to do is make sure you have all your parts. We have everything here. Here's your paper filters. Make sure you got your paper filters. You can order more on their website. As we got our coarse coffee grounds already in there. We have our paper filter already in there. We're gonna add water to this and let it drip through. So let's get started. Some of you might ask, what is this? This is a stopper. This is to stop brewing. You put it in the bottom of the device. Yeah, you pick the device up, the top half, and set it right on there. But we're gonna let it brew. I don't wanna mess with it. So when we put the coffee grounds in, I looked at them. We have about that many coffee grounds in there. And I thought, that's a lot of coffee grounds. I may not wanna recommend this to my viewers. And then we found out something, my wife did. She ran it a second time, same coffee grounds. First coffee was 3.5 cups. Second coffee, when she ran it a second time, was 5 cups, right here. Just as dark, just as potent. So we're gonna run it a bunch of times and see how much coffee we can get out of the beans before we toss the grinds. Does that make sense? So yes, I do recommend it if you plan on running it more than once. You gotta save the coffee grounds, run them again, and get more cold brew coffee. That's all we care about. There'll be a link down below if you guys wanna get this machine by OXO. Good job, run it twice, and share it with your friends. Tell everybody.